Until now, if you wanted your Glaze app to have some AI functionality, you'd have to hook it up in a way that the user had to, first of all, have an API key, open your app settings to paste it in there so that the model could do whatever it needs to do. This obviously worked fine. The Glaze agent is more than capable to implement that, but it does add a bit more complexity, especially on the user side. And since Glaze is all about removing complexity when it comes to making world-class desktop apps, we had to make it easier. And that's what we did. In the latest update, we introduced Glaze AI. It's a really nice way to enhance your apps with AI without you or your users having to worry about any of the technicalities. I'm going to show you how it works. But first, if you don't know what Glaze is, it's the new app from the team behind Raycast that lets you create fully functioning desktop apps just by chatting with AI without having to write a single line of code. You can keep these apps to yourself, or you can share them with thousands of users through the Glaze store. New signups get a free welcome pack of credits, so you can start building right away. Now, here's how you can add AI to your Glaze apps. Starting in version 0.11, if you click this little plus button on the chat, you'll see this option to add an AI feature. Currently, Glaze supports adding either text or image generation. And that's really it. Now, you just describe what you want that to work in your app, and the agent will hook it all up for you. Now, here's how it's gonna work in terms of credits. If you add AI to your own app and you use these features, you're gonna be able to spend your Glaze credits on that AI usage. The same credits you use to build Glaze apps. Glaze AI inside your app is going to draw from that same pool. Now, if you publish it to the store and some other person uses your app, then it's their Glaze credits that are going to be spent on AI. And of course, if you download an app from the store that has AI features, then it's going to cost your Glaze credits to use it. It's really seamless. You pay for your credits and you can now spend them to build apps on Glaze or to use AI features of the apps you download from the Glaze store. Now, from the user perspective, if an app wants to use Glaze AI for a feature, you're going to have to allow it. And in the new AI Access tab in Glaze settings, users can budget the amount of credits that they choose to allow for each app that they have installed that has AI features. I hope this made sense and it was very clear to understand. Bruno from our team just published his app that integrates Glaze AI seamlessly, so I'll let him demo it for you.
So I made this little app called Cahier. It's basically a language learning tool that uses AI to evaluate your text in your target language. But what I wanted to challenge myself to do is include AI in a more sophisticated way, so that instead of just getting a corrected version of your text, something you could do, with a Raycast AI command, I wanted to have the app generate some dynamic UI based on the AI response. And it worked perfectly with Glaze AI. So basically you submit your text and then AI is gonna read through it and find your mistakes and places that you could improve. And based on those mistakes, it's going to create exercises, Duolingo style, that you can interact with directly in the app. I think it's cool because you get some feedback from AI, you get to practice your language, but you don't get like a better version of your text. It keeps being your own, and you can always just retry it based on what you learned. And that's all using Glaze AI.
Bruno's app and hundreds of others are available to download for free on the Glaze store, which you can find the link for in the description below. I can't wait to see how creative you guys are going to get when implementing AI into your Glaze apps. Make sure to share them in socials when you do so we can feature them in our upcoming videos. And for more Glaze tips and updates, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Cheers.